When I saw the second one, I was really excited. I was unhappy that I was not the choreographer. Right now, God has gifted me this, and Nora being there once again, and the mixture of Moroccan and the band, and Nora being there, and me to choreograph mixture of Bollywood and Moroccan dance. It's slightly folk we have tried to incorporate. She showed me some, and her idea was fabulous. Because it is Moroccan song, we should not do completely Moroccan. We should get the Indian flavor and Bollywood flavor. So there you're going to see a lot of colors. You're going to see costumes which are Indian, Rajasthani, Punjabi. You're going to see a lot of colors, dhols, instruments Moroccan, a little bit hints of properties, carpets, and of course the four Moroccan guys and the beautiful Nora. She's going to be there. It's my pleasure, really, because I was really excited when I heard this. In fact, my nephew called me up, who's the editor also, and he said, "This is the project." I said, "Don't worry about the money, just say yes." I really did that.
Grateful when
I
you
really
said
said that because I was so happy. I said, "नहीं, मुझे करना है," and thank God that I got it.
Okay, Nora, how you came with the idea we should collaborate with the Morocco band Fnair, and how you got the idea?
So Fnair is an extremely successful band in Morocco. They've been in the scene for a very long time. They're very professional and very experienced. One of their huge hit songs is called City City, which released in the summer, which just exploded in the market. Fnair is also known for composing and writing lyrics. So Mohsin, say hi! He actually penned down the lyrics in Arabic and slightly recomposed the song. So I had full faith and trust in them because of their experience and their backdrop and the fact that they're highly respected. And they sound amazing, you know, they give me that hip hop feel, they give me that ethnic folk feel also. So these touches are very important, especially for the vision I had. So with Dilbar bringing it to the Arabic world, bringing it to the North African world, my vision was very clear. We sing it in a mixture of Moroccan and Arabic. We give visuals of Bollywood in India. We give a Bollywood dance with a little bit of filmy touch to it. But we also introduce a little bit of a Moroccan ethnic dance called Rigada, which has not been seen before. So overall, my goal is, for the long run, is to bring Indian music and dance and mix it with Arabic music and dance.
Okay, Nora, do you feel nervous or excited? You will be nervous only because it's an iconic song. It's fully burden on your shoulder.
Yeah.
So, what do you like to say? Because it's an iconic song and it's your first time you're adapting in Morocco style.
So the Indian audience had the pleasure to enjoy Dilbar in the 80s. Then they had the pleasure to enjoy Dilbars in 2018. Yeah. Why can't Arabic and North African people enjoy it also?
Yeah,
है ना? We should also enjoy it, na?
This is the goal.
So this is the goal.
See, the pressure would be more if अगर सुष्मिता ने करने के बाद अगर नोरा कर रही थी, if she was doing it for the first time, the Moroccan mix would be a lot of pressure that we have to achieve that goal. But she has already done it. She's crossed. वो छक्का लग गया है भाई. You know, so millions have crossed viewers. So I don't need to put a number to it. You know, it's crossed millions. So now it's a icing on cake, and the icing on cake is the band. Icing on cake is that Bollywood colors. So whatever we could not do last time, we're going to plus it, and I think it's going to be great. And I really love her voice, huh?
That's my only scare and my nervousness is my voice because I never sang before. ये पहली बार मैं गा रही हूँ, you know. And the first time I stepped into a studio, like a recording studio, was when I met them.
But the surprise, she can sing. That's it. So she can sing very well and very good.
Okay, how much marks you like to give in a singing?
Huh?
Out of 10, how much marks you like to give?
I think I give her A. I can give her A.
A?
A.
Oh, A!
A.
Oh, he gave you A. So, but give me a number.
A number
Out of 10. 10
10.
out of 10?
Okay, 10.
Oh my God!
No, 10
Nora,
is good.
recently you have met
start with
Helen ma'am, and he is a dancing diva. Have you taken any tips of Helen ma'am?
I met Helen last year in December. And she gave me these blessings that I'll never forget. I didn't receive any dancing tips from her, but we had a long chat about my career. And she just looked at me, she gave me this huge kiss, and she put her hand on my head and she said, I'm giving you all my blessings to you, all my blessings. Work hard, focus, and don't let anyone divert your attention from your goal, and you will do amazing. Be professional, be sincere, and be honest. So, theek hai.
Okay, other than that, Dilbar Kamaria's song is also trending and
Yeah.
recently have crossed 150 crore.
Yes,
So
yes.
what do you like to say? And it's in first 100 crore of Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah, the film is amazing. The cast is amazing. The concept, the content is so entertaining. I enjoyed watching the film. The song Kamaria is also very entertaining. You know, it's your typical item number, and I love the song because it sounds like that song Mehente. So yeah, it's great. I mean, I'm just being blessed this year. Thanks to the love and support from the audience, from my fans. If it wasn't for the audience and for my fans and for India and Morocco and the Middle East support, I wouldn't be here today.
Okay, last two questions.
But before you go to any question, I would like to point out that all this crossing millions and crores, it's only because of her hard work. She really works hard for it.
We agree.
She really works hard. And the boys, I'm surprised, they have been at it.
Yeah.
Both hard work kar rahe, rehearsals, they've been working really hard. Hats off, boys.
Thank you so
Hats
much.
off.
Very good.
Hats off.
Thank you.
Superb. So they've been doing it, and of course Nora has been given her, I think, more than 1000%. So it's nothing is possible without hard work, and she's doing that.
Okay, last ma'am, two questions. Very soon we will going to see in Bharat opposite Sunil Grover.
Yes.
So are you excited?
I'm very excited. Of course, it's a huge platform to share screen with Sunil Grover and Salman Khan, you know, and to be directed by Ali Abbas Safar. So I am very excited for that. That's happening next year. But before that, something else is going to happen, which I can't
Okay.
tell you about, but I'll tell you soon. That something is going to be very huge.
Okay, lastly, anything you like to perform or you like to show something?
Show them the Moroccan clap.
Club, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Video banange.
Thank you. Best of luck. Yeah.